Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Welcome to Val Eurosport again. I'm Valentine Gusti. I'm the owner of Val Eurosport. We have a new addition to our inventory here. The 2005 Jaguar Super V8. This is the fully loaded car that you could get in a lineup of Super V8s. Jaguar 2005. This is the most loaded car. Comes with 19-inch wheels, 255 40/19 all around. Plenty of chrome trim here. The exterior is called Ebony, the interior is Barley, which is kind of a nice stand. I've had the same tan on the Super V8 portfolio. I had an 06. Very nice, stylish car. Very beautiful to drive in and comfortable. The seats have many controls here. And the lumbar support, and even the bottom sticks out, kind of like the Mercedes S-Class. It's got navigation, of course, adaptive cruise control, which allows you to adjust how far you want to be from the car in front of you, and if they slow down as well. CD changer along with one CD, heated seats all around the car, fog lights front and rear. This is the button for the that tells you if you're getting too close to a car. Lets out a chime to warn you. The best part about this car is the back seat. This is the place to be. I mean, it has TVs in the back where you can adjust. You can play two different movies. No, actually, no, you cannot play two different movies. The same movie you can play. You have memory seats in the back here. You can adjust how you want to sit here. You can adjust seat back, angle. Let me show you here. This button here. Look at that. You can recline the back seat if you want. You have DVDs, of course. You have a tray if you want to have your dinner here, or you want to have a laptop. You put the laptop here, and you got two power sources, which is awesome. Here you have the DVD controls. You can adjust what you want to play. You can have your own inputs here. Actually, you can play two different sources if you like. If you have your own camera, vacation, movies, or whatever, plug them in. You can see one thing here, another thing there. Very comfortable car. Shades in the back as well, of course. On the other side, the nice thing I like about this car is you can control the seat in front of you with this button here. This is kind of like limousine. You can control it however you want. Look at that. I can push it all the way there. Look at that. It goes all the way into the dash. So I can have all this room. I don't know if I can get that. I can stretch out. I can be a basketball player, and there's still enough room. This only does it if there's nobody sitting in the front seat. Because otherwise it would not be enough legroom for the front passenger. Now it senses there's nobody in the front seat, so it's in great condition. We have all the service records. Look at the craftsmanship of this car. This is the most underrated car there is. I mean, this is at the level of Mercedes S600. 760 Li with all the options you have. You have generous trunk in the back here. Here's the, you can put a 6 CD changer in here. You can play music. This is for the DVD navigation. This is where you put your movies to listen to. One nice thing about this car that Mercedes S-Class seldom has is a full-size spare. So that comes in handy if you have a flat. You just switch the tires and you can go. You don't have to worry about having a donut and running out. Let me show the engine. First, we have the requisite Xenon lights. Let me show you the fog lights as well. Supercharged engine, 400 horsepower. Plenty of juice here to go out and play. Beautiful car. Let's take it on a quick spin, see what she feels like.